Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw cheese and crackers with ham. So let's get started. To draw this yummy snack, we're going to first start by drawing the cheese. So I'm going to come right here and we're going to draw the cheese at an angle. So I'll start by right here and I'm just going to do a soft curve. So I don't want it to be completely straight because I don't want my cheese to be cute. So I have a soft curve, and then from there I'm going to come to the bottom right here and draw another soft curve. So same thing over here. So we're basically kind of creating this square. Up there and then connect it. From there I'm going to give it some dimension. So about right here on this corner, I'm just going to add a little slanted line, and same thing over here. And I'm just going to connect it. So it all depends on how thick you want your slice of cheese to be. And connect right here as well. So there, I got a slice of cheese. And so I'll bring it to life a little bit later. Let's draw all the main elements first. So then now right next to the cheese is going to be the cracker. And so I want my cracker to be nice and round. And so I'm going to use this cup right here as a circle template. So I'm just going to come right next to my cheese right here. And because I want to have ridges on my cracker, I can't just draw a perfect circle. But if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and draw the complete circle first. But I'm just going to come right here and just give myself small little points all around. So just make it a little bit easier for me to draw this cracker. Since I do want it to be as round as possible. So one more. So I'm just giving myself these little dashes. But like I said, if you're using a pencil, definitely just draw your circle. Okay, something like that. So now I kind of have a little guide. And then from there, I'm going to come in here using this as my guide. I'm just going to start to draw these small ridges all the way around. Okay, there. So I got my cracker in, and I did get better as I did more of it. But that's the basic idea. Got the cracker, and now to draw the ham. So the ham is also a circle, but because it's at an angle, it's going to be a slight oval. So I'm going to come right next to it, kind of same size as my cheese. And I'm just going to draw this big oval. Right there, and connect it. Something like that. It's not perfect, but it doesn't matter. We just want to put this little piece of ham in, and let's give our ham some depth, some dimension. So I'm going to come about right here and follow this curve I've made on the side right here. And taper it in. There, so now my ham has some thickness. Okay, so we have the 3 elements in for our yummy snack here. Now let's bring it to life and make it extra cute. So for our cheese right here, I'm just going to come in this area and draw some happy eyes. Nothing too complicated. Just remember you're drawing it at an angle, following the angle of the cheese. And then right in the center, I'm just going to put a cute little smile and cap it off. Two little curves on top. And for the hands, I'm going to have this cheese just come right here. So it's about this area. Come together with his hands, and I'm going to thicken the ends. There. Okay, and then for his feet, because they're sitting down, so about right here. Come out, and then thicken the end, and right here. And thicken the end. Okay, so then for the cracker, let's put some draw so cute eyes. So about right here in the center, draw a circle and another circle. And let's make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. So thank you, cuties, for always loving these silly food drawings that I create. And thank you for inspiring me to continue to draw them for you. They're just so fun. Okay, so then come up above each eye, another little curve, and a little smile right in the center. And let's see here, for the legs on this cracker, let's come about right here in the end and just flare it out a little bit and then thicken the end. So same thing about right here, centering it and thicken it up. And so then the arms are right here, let's have the cracker kind of hugging his pals. So I'm just going to thicken that up so you can see it. And then for the ham, so right here, just give this silly piece of ham some eyes. And let's see here, for the hands, let's come around to this area. And so it'll be about right here. And let's have the ham make a heart shape. There. And now for the legs, kind of in this area, come out and thicken it up just like the cheese. And about right here. And let's see, pretty much done. So when you're coloring, add the crackers, you can just add these dots around it to give it the indentation for the cracker. And let's add some hearts, right? Of course. For these cute little pals. And let's see. Let's add one more bigger one. So they're all done. I hope you loved this silly drawing and I made it fun and easy for you to draw. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love it, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.